Manufacturing environments create unique fire risks. At Ideal Fire Protection, we help facilities spot the hidden danger in dust before it spreads through the plant. Moving parts, electrical loads, and constant production can push machinery hard. Ideal Fire Protection helps reduce risk where heat, friction, and equipment hazards meet. When production depends on high heat, small issues can escalate fast. Ideal Fire Protection helps facilities stay prepared around the hottest parts of the operation. Storage areas can turn a small fire into a major loss. Ideal Fire Protection helps protect inventory, equipment, and the spaces that keep manufacturing moving. From dust and machinery to heat and storage, every part of the plant needs attention. Trust Ideal Fire Protection to help protect your facility. Call today to get started.